Bring the suspect in!
What the heck?
About this.
So we need to get the evidence, and then we have to frame him for it. Hey, get back in! We're gonna go in and we're gonna play good cop, bad cop.
Okay, let's do this.
Your ass is.
Where were you the night of the rape?
Yo,
Oh,
what rape?
Now,
I know what you did. The rape of your sister-in-law, Blanche.
What you talking about? Blanche is crazy.
I'll take it from here.
Okay, boss.
Are you the good cop?
Yeah, right up the I know what you did! I saw you! I have the evidence, punk! I will beat you up! I will...
Yo, you wanna start?
Yo, sit your ass down, son! Sit your ass down! I'm a slap... Come in, Matthews! Fifth.
I plead the Fifth Amendment.
You have to let him go, sir.
Damn right.
What'd you say?
And get out of here, you scumbag!
What were you doing back there?
I was playing bad cop.
So, sir, I was the bad cop.
No, I was the bad cop.
Okay, sir.
I think we messed up. I think you messed up.
I'm pretty sure you messed up, sir.
Aha! We must go talk to the victim
So,
for more evidence. Blanche? Blanche? Look at my face. Blanche, many people have said that this rape hasn't occurred. What can you say about this? Are you telling the truth?
No, I swear, I'm telling the truth.
you're telling the truth?
Ah, the light! It shows my true age.
Describe the night in which you got raped.
It was a dark night. I swear, the piano, the blue piano was playing. He just came into my room and raped me. I swear it was Stanley. He ran out into the wilderness.
Kowalski? I guess we should go have a chat with him.
Thank you for your time, Blanche.
You're welcome.
Are you recording him?
Still walk.
So, Detective Justin, I presume that this is where the suspect fled?
So, Detective Matthews, I see that you have learned from the best, which is I.
So you are a genius, sir.
I know. But, what haven't you noticed is the question. Aha! See what I have found? The footprint of the suspect! Must return back to our headquarters and discuss these new findings and clues and symbols. Captains, we need a warrant for Stanley Kowalski's arrest. We have enough evidence.
So, sir, let's go arrest Stanley.
Bring in the suspect.
Again?
We're really sorry about last time. There was some, miscommunication. But right now, we just really want to figure out why Blanche went crazy.
So, Mr. Stanley, can you explain your relationship with the victim?
We weren't so cozy.
Oh, I'm sorry. Can you define the word cozy?
We weren't so close. She was a liar, and she was selfish.
Can you tell us about
How you treated-
how you treated your wife and how there was a big scar on her arm that evidence is surmounting? Explain that, would you?
She'll do anything. I love my wife.
As you can see, animalistic natures is a very important symbol in this case. Now back to the case.
Sir, please calm down. Sit. Now,
Now,
Can you explain what comes to mind when you hear the song, The Blue Piano?
I've never heard of that.
as you can see, the suspect's pupils are dilated, showing that he is fearful that he is actually the suspect and the person who raped her.
It's the final piece of evidence that Detective John has found. This will incriminate you.
Can you give me your shoe, Mr. Kowalski? Aha! Just as I suspected, a size 12, like the footprint we found earlier. And the footprints, exactly the same.
What? These symbols are so deep. They bring out the underlying themes, motifs, and developed characters.
So, I see that's an admission of guilt. This constitutes for an arrest. Cuff him, Matthews. Good work, partner. Couldn't have done it without you.
It's all your work. So
I know, what am I?
crazy.